Welcome to Healthcetera. Today's video is on a powerful natural recipe that will help you lose belly fats faster and safer every day. Consider subscribing to the channel if you're new, and thank you to all our returning subscribers. Let's get right into the video. This simple recipe requires 4 ingredients, which include bay leaves, lemon, ginger, garlic and honey. Bay leaf is a dense herb that contains several essential minerals and vitamins. Bay leaves has numerous medicinal properties that improve body metabolism and aid in digestion. Bay leaves have also been found to help decrease fat absorption. Lemon is known to help in weight loss, thanks to the presence of vitamin C and antioxidants that promote good digestion. Lemons also have diuretic properties, which help in detoxifying the body and increasing metabolism to facilitate fat loss. Garlic is responsible for boosting energy levels that burn all the calories, keeping you fitter. It is known to boost your metabolism, further helping you lose weight efficiently. Garlic is a known appetite suppressant. It helps keep you fuller for longer, further preventing you from overeating. Ginger is thought to help promote weight loss due to its rich antioxidant properties, particularly gingerol and 6-paradol. Research has also shown that 6-paradol in ginger helps burn more fat by activating brown fat. A study in 2013 found that gingerol and other ginger extracts led to weight loss, fat reduction, improved high-density lipoprotein cholesterol, and normalized insulin levels. Another study in 2019 found similar results, with the ginger extract group losing significantly more weight and fat than the control group. Honey helps the body burn more fat with just a teaspoon. It is known to have the power of suppressing one's appetite to avoid excessive calorie intake and to slow down weight gain. Honey will also serve as a healthy sweetener for this recipe. How to prepare this recipe? Step 1. Cut 1 lemon into 2 halves and squeeze them into a container. Step 2. Pour a glass of water into a saucepan on fire with medium heat. Step 3. Wash and cut fresh ginger. 1 lemon. 3 garlic cloves. Add them to the boiling water in the saucepan. Step 4. Add 3 fresh bay leaves. Step 5. Allow the mixture to boil for 30 minutes and strain the water in a jar and let it stay until it reaches room temperature. Step 6. Add 1 tablespoon of honey and stir. Drink this mixture 30 minutes before breakfast in the morning. Prepare a fresh drink every day for 14 days to get the best results. Share with us your results in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. See you in the next video.